Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we are going to change everything you know about AI video creation. Stop paying monthly subscriptions for expensive tools that eat your budget. I'm going to show you how to transform a simple still photo into a high-quality cinematic video like this one, using only your mobile phone and a completely free tool. Look at this amazing animation of a person working on a laptop. It was generated in seconds from a basic portrait. Everyone is jumping into the AI trend right now, and if you don't learn these mobile secrets, you are going to get left behind. Stick with me for the next few minutes to master the newest Meta AI technology. The best part is that there are no hidden fees or watermarks involved in this process. You can generate unlimited content for your social media, YouTube, or personal projects without spending a single penny. I have tested many platforms, but this specific method is currently the fastest and most accessible for every smartphone user around the world. First, open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and go to the search bar. Type in Meta AI very carefully to find the official application by Meta. This is the same company that owns Facebook and Instagram, so you know the technology behind it is world-class and constantly being updated with the latest artificial intelligence features and improvements. Click on the install button and wait for the download to finish completely. Once it is ready, go ahead and tap on Open to launch the application for the first time. You will see a very clean and modern interface. Meta has designed this specifically for mobile users, making it much easier to navigate than complex desktop-based AI platforms or websites. Now you will see a blue Get Started button at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to begin. The app will automatically detect any Facebook or Instagram accounts currently logged into your phone for a seamless connection. This integration is fantastic because it saves you from the hassle of creating a brand new username and password from scratch for this tool. Select the account you want to use and then tap on the Continue button to proceed. On the next screen, you will see your suggested username and profile details pulled from your social media. If everything looks correct to you, go ahead and click on the Confirm button. This connects your identity to the Meta AI ecosystem across all platforms. Great, now simply click on the Next button to move past the welcome screens. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to send you notifications on your device. I highly recommend clicking Allow so you can get updates when your videos are finished generating. Now we are inside the main dashboard where the real magic of AI video creation actually happens. To start making your video, look for the option that says Create a video from my photo directly on your home screen. This feature is the most powerful tool in the app because it uses your existing images as a base for high-quality AI-driven motion. Your mobile gallery will open up immediately. Now find the photo you want to animate and select it. For this tutorial, I am picking a clear portrait. Once you have chosen your file, click on the Done button in the bottom right corner. The app will now start processing the image data to prepare it for the video generation engine. At this stage, do not touch anything and wait for the initial video to generate automatically. Meta AI will analyze the elements in your photo and create a default animation. You will see a progress bar on the screen. It usually takes between 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the original image you uploaded. We have all seen those incredible AI videos on TikTok and Instagram, but when we try to make them, we hit a paywall. Websites often give you 2 or 3 credits and then demand your credit card information. It is frustrating and limits your creativity, especially when you are just starting your content creation journey or experimenting with new ideas. Look at the screen. The video is ready, but we want to customize the action. Tap into the message box at the bottom. type the prompt, I am working on laptop to give the AI a specific instruction for the movement. This is where you can get really creative. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better the final video result. While we wait for this to load, if you are finding this tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button for Phone Transformer. We bring you the latest mobile tech secrets every week to help you stay ahead. Don't forget to like this video if you want more free AI tutorials. Your support helps us create more high-value content for this community. After typing your prompt, go ahead and click the send button to submit your request to the server. You will see a beautiful glowing effect indicating that the AI is regenerating your video based on your specific text. Remember, you can ask for anything like dancing or walking in the chat box for different results from the same photo. Once the new version is generated, you might want to make the clip longer for your project. Look for the extend button below the video and tap it. This will process the clip further to add more duration to the animation. It is perfect if you are making YouTube shorts or reels where you need more than just a few seconds. Meta AI can also create photos from scratch. Just type create a photo followed by your description. Let's try create a photo of a cat and hit send. Instantly, you get high-resolution images generated by the AI. If you want to download any of these to your phone, just click on the photo and then tap the download icon at the top. You can even animate these brand new AI photos by simply typing a command like walking in the chat box. Send the message and wait for the cat to start moving toward the camera. This level of control is incredible for a free mobile app. You can essentially build a whole animated scene just by talking to the AI in simple English. Take a moment to explore the community section by clicking on the video icon. Here you can see what other creators are making and follow AI profiles for inspiration. You can also ask the AI anything directly or use the microphone icon for voice commands. This tool is like having a personal assistant and a production studio in your pocket. That is how you master Meta AI on your phone in just 5 minutes. You now have the power to create professional videos and images without any expensive equipment or software. Explore the community features, chat with the AI, and start creating today. Thanks for watching Phone Transformer. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next mobile transformation.